Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Pit Fisner. How you doing, guys? This is the second part of the Samsung telly. Unfortunately, the copy has a wrong audio, and I'll have to do voiceover, so I'll get it from the videos here. And hello everyone, it's Peter here, Pit Fisner. How you doing, guys? Oh, that's the wrong one. Okay.
The once congested road is now empty.
So I'm voluming it down to the minimum. Okay. And now I can share the screen with you so that I can show you the video. Okay, that's YouTube, video capture, and expand video editor, video studio, media player. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. So let me take it to the full screen, guys. Unfortunately, sorry for that, but that's what I have to do. So yeah, I was telling that in the previous episode 54, yes, because that's the second part. We had a problem with Samsung Curve TV, and that I'm switching to the videos, to the photos and video, to show you that it is working. Before I'll do it, I'll get a mirror and I'll show you that see, the picture is really there. Yes, so you can see that I'm pointing out on the screen of that curved Samsung, and there is. Okay, let's put it more. I'm going and switching to the photos, and you can see the COF. It's actually not a full COF, it's just a connector from the display to the driver board. These are not actually proper driver boards, like fully with all the ICs we had in the older tellies. These are newer ones, so it's only part of the functionality on them, but it is here and it is working. See, only there is this line here, and I removed that burned. I've cut it off, yes, and I've managed to get the display back. So that's why, you know, that's why it's a fix. Customer knows about the line, customer knows about it, and from what customer said, that she poured some liquid when washing the telly, so probably that's the culprit of this. You can see that it's cutted over there slightly, yes, over there. So yeah, that's it on that video, and actually that's it in this video, because the rest, it's, you know, it's fine. I did test both mainboards, and at the end I've managed to run customer's mainboard, but there were certain issues with it, and I said to the customer, look, I can keep your old mainboard because it is working, and I can just charge you like 20 quid for it. Yeah, so I can keep it. I'll pay for it like 34 pounds, and that's it. Yeah, I made another test. This telly is behind me, so it is working for sure. Yes, I'll pause the video. I'll switch to the webcam. Yeah, so the TV is behind me. It's fine. It's working. Let's switch it on. So yeah. I never can like easily press that power button. I'm fixing them, but I'm not familiar with all the buttons. Yes, so that's the new mainboard. The old one has reset it to the factory defaults. I don't want a customer to have that mainboard which is not good, and I can, if I'm paying 34 pounds for the next mainboard, like a customer's, but for tests, for me it will be more than enough. It's better than buying for tests for 50 odd quid. Yes, so that's, you know, that's a fair deal. What else I can say? Yeah, so customer only pays for the repair and 20 pounds extra for the next mainboard. TV is working, customer knows about this line here. I see that you can't see it too closely, but it is, you've seen it on the video. What else I can say? Yeah, it's a fix, and if possible, let's fix them all. Yeah, and that's a good thing. Customer is happy with the line. She said that she done it and she can watch the telly with the line. She don't mind. So yeah, some customers don't mind, some customers do mind. I said that if I would get that film, you know, I could repair attempt it. It's no guarantee that I could rebond it perfectly, especially that it's a curved display and I just don't like them. So yeah, you know, it is what it is. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Yes, bye bye for now. And if you did like, thank you for liking. Here's likes to use.